Welcome back to Rome Tech. If you're enjoying this content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Outsourcing has become a cornerstone of modern business strategy, providing companies with a flexible and often cost-effective way to manage various operations. Outsource.com serves as a comprehensive platform connecting businesses seeking outsourcing solutions with a global network of service providers. Whether you're looking to outsource customer service, IT support, software development, or even back-office functions, Outsource.com offers a streamlined approach to finding the right partner. The site features a vast directory of providers specializing in a wide array of industries and services, allowing businesses to quickly identify potential matches based on their specific needs. Detailed profiles for each provider offer insights into their expertise, experience, and client testimonials, facilitating informed decision-making. Beyond simply connecting businesses and providers, Outsource.com also provides valuable resources and insights on outsourcing best practices, contract negotiation, and risk management. This information empowers businesses to navigate the outsourcing landscape effectively and maximize the benefits of their partnerships. For businesses considering outsourcing, the platform offers a convenient and centralized hub for researching, comparing, and connecting with potential providers. This simplifies the often complex process of finding and vetting suitable partners, saving time and resources. Meanwhile, for service providers, Outsource.com represents a powerful marketing tool, providing exposure to a vast audience of potential clients actively seeking outsourcing solutions. By creating a comprehensive profile showcasing their capabilities and expertise, providers can effectively position themselves within the competitive outsourcing market. In an increasingly interconnected global economy, Outsource.com serves as a vital bridge between businesses seeking to optimize their operations and the skilled providers capable of delivering those solutions. Whether you're a growing startup or an established enterprise, exploring the opportunities available through Outsource.com can be a valuable step in achieving your business objectives.